In this video, I will show you how to change the size of a tab on Google Chrome. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to do this, what you want to do is first of all open up your Google Chrome browser. Come up to the address bar at the top, and in here you want to type the following, which is a Chrome followed by a colon / flags, and then hit enter. What that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. Now from here, come up to the search box at the top. In here you want to type tab scrolling, and what that's going to do is bring up some results, as you can see here. Now the one you're going to want to look at is the top one, tab scrolling, and what you want to do is come to the right hand side of this, click onto the drop down box, and you're going to see we've got some different options. So what you can do is choose your preferred option from here. For example, tab shrink to pin tab width, tab shrink to a medium width, tab shrink to a large width, tabs don't shrink, or just disable it. Once you select your option, you're going to see a relaunch button come up in the bottom right hand corner. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is relaunch Chrome and apply your settings. So that is how to change the size of a tab on Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.